What's up, everybody? Justin here from LaunchKits, the highest rated web design company in the country. I want to share with you, if you're a real estate agent, a couple things that work and some things that don't when it comes to being found online. We've launched over 100 real estate agents and teams, probably 200 now, online over the last 8 years. So, why don't we just share with you what works if you're a real estate agent? Look, check it out. You know what works is a great Google business profile. So a lot of you struggle to get these set up, but I'm going to use Wendy Stauffer. She's one of our clients here as an example. Look, when people talk about real estate agents, the number one way you're found online is by name. People say, hey, who'd you list your house with? Who'd you buy your house with? Who helped you evaluate whether or not your house should be listed? All these things, it's by name conversations over coffee, at lunch, after church, at the community, game while you're watching your kids play. So they go to Google and they say, hey, is this person worth their salt? And they Google your name. So look, if you Google Wendy Stauffer, look, get the Google profile set up, man. It's the number one way you can take over that page. This allows you to capture reviews, allows you to be found, it allows you to be instantly vetted and trusted by the people that said, hey, this is a great person to work with. So go ahead and get a Google business profile set up for yourself. The other thing that you can do is this. You can set up local service ads. Check this out. If I say real estate agent in Ephrata, PA, where Wendy Stauffer is, this right here is called a local service ad. Okay, they're Google screened ads. You can check. You can set up your budget. You can monitor your spend. It guarantees you calls. If you don't get it, you can get refunds. Like this whole local service ad is a relatively new thing for real estate agents to do and compete. You're not going to blow through a ton of money. My one caution is don't set it up until you have a lot of Google reviews, because ultimately this experience here, clicking through, is based on your profile. Okay. So on a mobile phone, it looks and works a little smoother, but essentially it's reading out your Google profile. So it's a really good thing to do. Set up local services ads if you're a real estate agent. You know what else really works is reviews. Okay. Look, if I go the same thing, if I do local real estate agent in Ephrata, the reason why Wendy Stauffer shows up second in the map pack is because of all these reviews. Map packs are ranked based on consistency of name, address, phone number, and website. Okay, so meaning you need to be listed with the same name, same phone number, same website address. Okay, same phone number. They call it NAPW is what we use in the nerd world. But it's also based on reviews. So getting your reviews to line up or stack up rather will help you move up in this map pack. And it's a very, where are you looking orientated thing. So even if I zoom out here, if it knows I'm looking in Ephrata, either by my the ping of my phone where I am or my computer, or if I've told Google, hey, keyword real estate agent in key place, town name. So reviews are key there. You know what's also good about reviews is no matter what agency you end up going to, because a lot of agents switch to at least 3 agencies throughout their career, those follow you. That's a huge win for you as a real estate agent. So don't lose out on that really powerful thing you have with reviews. And you know what works is a great website. So many real estate agent websites stress out about getting these like MLS integrated features, which, okay, it's cool, it can be helpful, but guess what? You actually don't need it. You need a Google business profile that's indexing well, leading through to a secure, trusted, fast website. Okay, that will help you rank. It'll help people connect with you. It'll help people convert to you, because guess what? The number one visited page on a real estate agent website is not your listings, not your feeds. It's this right here. It's your personal about page. It tells your story, what your expertise is. I tell people all the time, man, if you have a love of something, put it on your about page. If it's traveling, if it's a dog, put it in the photo. If it's a family and you're a certain team advocate, put it on there, because people will gravitate and be attracted to you based on that. So don't shy away from embracing and telling your story about who you are on your about page. Connecting your personality and your services with your people is the start. Um, so make sure you don't shy away from personally connecting on your website, making it very simple. Now you can add integrated feeds and all that, and that's good. But you know what doesn't work? Stock images. Okay, here's things that don't work over doing a couple hundred websites for real estate agents and teams. stock images. You can launch with them, but get them off your website as soon as you can. You invest in real estate photos for listings because you know that a photo is worth a lot. So try and get away from these stock images on your website as soon as you can. Invest in a real estate photographer. And then confusion, man. It's like so many real estate websites will have these like five, just like get financing. Are you approved for this? Hey, here's industry generic news and updates. Hey, we list, we buy, we sell, we invest for cash. Like, no, just guide people gently, man. Calm down. Like, know your target, know your customer, be straight up about it. One site I really love is the Chris and Claude Co. I mean, these people just they know who they are. Like, okay, this might not be an SEO thriving headline, okay, but they're like, look, we want to help people thrive where they are. So look, that's what we are. This is the photos we like. This kid may or may not be having a tantrum. Like, this is real life. They celebrate real life. Like, embrace your brand, okay? They focus on a lot of like great project redos. So they have really cool stuff here. It's not leading with all the cluttery stuff that a lot of agent websites are known for, or agencies are known for. It's like, hey, I want to resonate with the people I want to resonate with. So don't shy away from that. Look, if you need help, we'd be glad to help. Even one pager websites can work and convert. You don't even have to have tons of blogs. When it comes to being a real estate agent, being found online, get a great site that converts, get a great Google profile that tells the great things that you do, and make it easy for people to connect with you. Come on, be found online. It's pretty easy to get started today. There's a lot of free tools out there, starting with the Google business profile that you can set up for yourself. And you know what? Own your digital content, because no matter where you go and what you do, that you can have control over. All right. Have a good day out there in the real estate world, and be found online.